Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete without moving in Filmora. So if you want to delete without moving your timeline in Filmora, this is how you can get it done. So the first thing you have to do is make sure you had your overlay. Once you do that, then you try and cut out, you place your line, your movement line or your duration line to the part of the video where you want to cut. So I'm just going to tap on this part. So this is where I want to cut. And for me to be able to move my time frame, just have to this is where I want to cut. Then I'll just tap the backspace. So I'll just cut it out, place it here, then cut it out. Then just want to remove this part as well. So I'm going to place in my transition, then I'm going to cut it out as well. Then I'm going to delete this part. So once I type on my backspace and see these two, there's a black screen in between which shows that something has been removed, which is the part I just cut out on part of the video without joining together. And sometimes if you cut a video and the both head keep joining together, just come right here, which is, and disable the magnetic just disable the magnetic timeline here, just disable it. So that's it. If your line keep joining, you can see this is joining together. I'm also try and do the same thing, cut it out, then cut this part out again, cut it out, then delete this part. So if you keep joining together, just come back here and disable this magnetic timeline. That's it. If you find the video full, like and